Hi, Jeremy Peterson here with Vesta Real Estate in Ogden, Utah. It is March 2021 and time for another real estate market update. Well, let's pick up where we left off in our last video, which was talking about sales volume and how we saw the largest decline in sales volume in 10 years in our prior report. Well, this report shows that sales volume is up year over year. So it is not proven to be a trend, and I'm still scratching my head on why we saw such lag in January's sales. We'll dig more into that and see if we can find something else out that makes sense. Well, let's look at our days on market. As you can see here, this chart is totally broken, and sales right now are taking about 5 days. So the average for a home to be on the market is about 5 days. Some homes sell faster than that, a few sell slower than that. I don't think this number is going to change much moving into the spring surge. And the reason that is that it just simply takes a human being a certain amount of time to write up paperwork and make a decision and negotiate an accepted contract. So we seem to be hitting a floor on how low these sales can go just because of human limitations. Well, let's look at our next chart, which is always popular to look at, which is our inflation-adjusted house prices. As you can see, it's basically going straight up, as it's been going for a long time, but even more straighter upper than in the past. And yeah, this trajectory is to the moon. To look behind the curtain on this one, let's go ahead and look at our annualized growth. So we take a look at what the house price is this month versus what it was a year ago in the same month. And you can see here, this is also another broken chart. House prices are appreciating at a rate of approximately 30% per year right now. That is yeah. I don't even know what to say. I'm out of words. But in any case, it's unprecedented, and that explains a lot of what people are feeling in the market right now. So it takes a minute for this to slow down. So this pace will probably continue for at least the next several months as we go into the spring surge, and we'll see what fall has to offer for us. If we look at our next chart, which is affordability, this chart plots things from the bottom of the trough in 2012 to the present day. And so you can see the trajectory is clearly up, and our most recent reading has a significant surge upward in it. When we step back and look at the bigger picture, you can see that on a cyclical basis, we are at a peak and we're nearing uncharted territory. We've met or exceeded the peak in 2000, and we clearly have exceeded the affordability peak or unaffordability peak in 2008. So where we go from here, we'll see. This, like I said, this is uncharted territory. Some folks have asked me what happens from here, and the only thing that I could see changing things in the Utah real estate market would be an interest rate increase. They would have to start increasing significantly to make a change, but it is possible. If interest rates were to rise, we would see sales volumes pull back, and we'd see house prices start to moderate. But I don't see a crash happening. The dynamics are not in play to have a crash, but we could see house prices start to plateau here, possibly second half of the year, but timing is anyone's guess. So anyway, if you're a buyer, it's tough right now and you're suffering. If you're a seller, it is an awesome time to sell your home. And if you're interested in that, give me a call. That's this month's update. Thanks for tuning in.